शुरू हर काम से पहले को हम बिस्मिल्लाह कहते हैं। शुरू हर काम से पहले को बिस्मिल्लाह कहते हैं। हम कुछ कहने से पहले आपको आदाब कहते हैं। अस्सलाम वालेकुम and a very good evening to all of you. I would like to thank to Global Spoken English for giving me a chance to enhance my communication skills. Today, I am here to speak मेरी माँ. Before starting my topic, I would like to say some beautiful line in Urdu. हमें है देखना रहमत का साया कौन रखता है, हमें है देखना रहमत का साया कौन रखता है, हमारे इस दौर में सर पर दुपट्टा कौन रखता है। सभी को है यकीन माँ की दुआ अनमोल होती है, सभी को है यकीन माँ की दुआ अनमोल होती है, मगर माँ की दुआओं पर भरोसा कौन रखता है। I am going to start my topic. Mother is the simplest and most precious word in this world. Mother is a word in the world that is no need to introduce to anyone, because it is not a word but a feeling. Mother is a structure of love, affection, sacrifice and service in fact. Mother is the best gift of Allah Almighty for us. Mother is the best blessing in the world. Mother is a blessing that no one can replace. My dear sister, mother is a wish, clever and noble woman. She like a morning breeze in children's life. She faces a lot of problems and hardships for her children. She bury her desires. She does not feed herself, feeds the children. My dear sister, Allah said in the Holy Quran, do good to your parents, don't abuse them, don't say to them off, don't say to scold them, and speak to them leniently, address with them respectful words. My dear sister, a question will come in your mind. After all, why did the Holy Quran say so that about parents? They are human beings, but why is it emphasizing so much that you don't say to them off? When this question come in your mind, Mother Favors will ask you, son, you forget me. You forget me. It is I blood of made heart and give you milk. It is I when you used to pass water on the bed. I used to make you sleep to other side. Then when you used to urinate to other side, I used to make you sleep when the place you pass water, and I used to make you sleep on her chest. My dear sister, son, it is I who kept you in my stomach for 9 months, and I bear the problems for your good life. Oh people who love their mother, firstly look yourself. How many flowers has the mother fed in the garden of her heart? We trample the meadow. We trample the meadow planted by her parents. So request all you that we are parents and obey them. Before finishing my topic, I would like to say some beautiful line in Urdu. कि हर शहर में हर बस्ती आबाद नहीं मिलती, दीवार तो मिलती है बुनियाद नहीं मिलती, माँ तो हर एक औलाद को मिलती है बहुत अच्छी, हर माँ को मगर अच्छी औलाद नहीं मिलती. I conclude my speech thanking you all for listening to me patiently. Thank you so much.